How many times you took a great program, you truly enjoyed it, you got a lot of great suggestions and tips and things to do, then you got home, you tried implementing something and things just didn't work the way you thought they're going to work. Then you just wish there's someone you can go to, ask questions, clarify certain things, and help you to implement the changes. Well, here is my personal commitment that in this program, I am here not only to provide the knowledge necessary to implement the tools and become even happier, but also to help you all the way through the implementation. Because honestly, if you just listen to this program, it's probably going to be like a lot of other programs that you listen to. Unless you implement some of the changes, you're not going to see a lot of changes in your life. But in order to implement these changes, you need help. We all need help when we learn new things. So again, here's my personal commitment. I am here to help. Please ask questions. Use discussion forum to ask any questions. Anything that is not clear, please post a question. Why? Because chances are, if it's not clear for you, there are other people that have the same questions that is not clear for them as well. If you have a question how to implement some of the tools, the chances are other people have same questions. They just haven't asked yet. So be the change you want to see in the world. You go out, go to discussion forum, ask the questions, and let's make this change together. And now, here is my written commitment to you. Feel free in next lecture to print it out and leave it somewhere close to you so that you know there is always someone there to help. Happy new habits.